in the interview itself, I'm telling him, हाँ sir, I'm going to be only for 1 year. He's like, why? So I think sir, हाँ 1 साल के बाद मैं IIM अहमदाबाद जा रही हूँ. He's like कि हो गई कि कैट? तो मैंने नहीं सर, कैट नवंबर में है.
बट मैं अभी से बोल रही हूँ कि मैं तो जा रही हूँ.
तो मैं जा रही हूँ. You have only so much of chance to get into IIM Ahmedabad. Do you think you would be there? जिसको भी मिलो सबसे पहले वही पूछ रहे थे. This was first ever time that I had failed in something that I was trying in my life. I've cried in front of Deep Kalra. I've cried in front of Vinita Singh. I legit have tears in my eyes when I click a picture with Vinita Singh.
ट्रिक थी जो लाइक यू अंडरस्टूड फ्रॉम योर फर्स्ट ईयर टू योर सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट. कुछ तो सीक्रेट ट्रिक दैट यू अनलॉक. आई हैव बीन ऑन दैट कैंपस. ओके, जितना भी in the world there's so much glory and everything around it, I know personally how it feels to sit in that place where everybody else के लिए सब चीज़ें ऐसे click हो रही है and you're still in the way of figuring it out. What kept you going, bro? Hi Smallies! Welcome back to the next episode, and today I'm very very excited to introduce you to the person who's known me for 11 years, Isha Nisar. You know, whenever I say her name, मेरे दिमाग में वो ऐसे there's a round of applause that goes. I don't know why. No. Because this girl, I don't know how to introduce her in one word because she's been my senior. Then I have been her senior. She has been this person who's been more like a mother to me at some days, like a sister some days.
Sometimes like a child also.
Sometimes as a child also. But moreover, this amazing human being who is extremely intelligent. मैडम अपनी स्कूल की टॉपर रह चुकी है. उसके बाद एनएम कॉलेज में आईटी के डिवीजन में एडमिशन ले चुकी है. एनएम में मचा चुकी है. उसके बाद आईएमए जा चुकी है. उसके बाद आईटीसी में काम कर चुकी है. मैडम कहाँ क्या खा के पैदा किया था तुम्हारी मम्मी ने तुमको भाई?
जो तुम्हारी मम्मी ने करा था. Because we are very copy paste, so yeah.
No, but was this always in your head? ये सब was this always like a mixture कि यार IMA में जाना है तो पहले से ही तुमने MBA की तैयारी की जर्नी में day one से लग गई थी तू बचपन से?
तो no, I think for a lot of period of time I did not know what was MBA, what was IIM, and as stupid as it sounds, I got to know about MBA, IIM Ahmedabad and all through the movie of Two States, which is actual reality. I was forced to watch that movie.
You were forced to watch a romantic rom-com movie.
Yeah, with my best friend.
Okay.
And then I got to know about it. I researched a lot, and then I thought that okay, this is something I really wanted to do. And from I think it was my 11th standard. So from that day till I entered IIM Ahmedabad, it was always a dream that I wanted to go over there. I think I did everything possible. You know, I want to go over there. So yeah, that was there.
I completely agree to you. You know, whenever I meet you and for years I have seen you, मेरे ना दिमाग में दो डायलॉग हमेशा चलता है. मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ और दैट द अदर डायलॉग कि एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो मैं अपने बाप की भी नहीं सुनती. बिकॉज दिस गर्ल हैड IMA so fixated in her head कि मैडम has taken what 3 attempts.
Yes.
And even after securing admissions at very very renowned colleges like one of the IIM, 2-3 of the IIMs,
Yeah.
MICA and everything, मैडम ने एक बार जो कमिटमेंट कर दी वो वहीं गई है.
That was, I think, so 1 year, I think in 2018,
Yeah.
I had just gone to IIM Ahmedabad just to have a feeler before the CAT exam. And for some reason, I just got a kick that this is my house.
Okay.
And I really want to go here. Like, it's also incoming call from them that, you know, this is where I belong. So, I thought I
You
should
got your
just-
calling from there.
Yeah, so I just wanted to go there.
But I remember NM also, you were in extremely difficult case competitions. You were in RCNM, you were in cultural society, you were a contingent leader, you were good at academics. What was your CGPA back then?
7 out of 7.
7 out of 7. Matlab, how? Like, was this like a recipe that you were cracking so that you can go into IMA, or was it just things just happened for you?
I think most of the things just happened. So I was always good with my academics. I don't know, it just happened. So I used to not even attend classes. But वो हो जाता था. It was not very difficult कि आ जाता है, इतना है नहीं difficult. But most of the things that I did were the things that happened on the go. So I happened to join RCNM because मेरे friends join कर रहे थे तो मैंने भी join कर लिया.
हाँ.
फिर cultural thing happened quite a bit surprised. One day I was called by the principal that you're the contingent leader, and I was like, I thought ki when she called me up, I thought I've done some mistake because I used to do a lot of pranks or something or the other, which were not allowed or whatever thing. So I thought कि किसी ऐसी चीज के लिए बुलाया होगा, and then I'm like मैं I'm just looking here and there मैं क्यों हूँ, मतलब I don't even know. And I had to participate in this competition called Miss Mumbai University, which had like 10 rounds of versatility and all. And I was like, bro, I am not the one. I think she has mistaken me for somebody else. I think somebody else should be in this position. But yeah, I think things happened. I never planned for it. I got to know later on that all of these things also quite a bit help you in MBA. I was like, oh, अच्छी बात है, चलो, best.
But I think because your approach towards life has always been that whatever excites you, you just pick it up.
Yeah,
है ना?
always.
And then what did you ever consider in your head that maybe this might not work और मैं इसमें अच्छी नहीं हुई तो, या फिर ऐसे negative connotations कभी आए नहीं, जो मन किया वो कर लिया?
I think I don't know. I just take life as an adventure. I still do that. I don't know what my next day is going to be. So I just do things my way कि अच्छा आज ये अच्छा लग रहा है, आज ही कर लेते हैं. नहीं अच्छा लगा तो हम change कर लेते हैं. मतलब ज़्यादा क्या होगा? So I had read this quote that don't be afraid because just try to fly. Even if you do nothing, मतलब what's the worst thing that can happen?
Yeah.
So then I was like, okay, let's just go ahead.
But 10 years before वाली ईशा को, if I would have shown this girl that you've become, what would be her reaction? Would she be astonished, surprised? How would she feel?
I think she would feel very proud that finally इसे जो करना था इसने कर लिया. जो ये ऐसे हवे में बोलती रहती है. So I used to tell everyone in college कि मैं तो अहमदाबाद जा रही हूँ, तुम अपना अपना देख लो. And while right now I think how stupid I used to just go around and say मैं तो जा ही रही हूँ. But I think she would be very happy that I have stood strong all the way. बहुत सारी चीज़ें आई है, up, down, ये वो सब, and you thrived through it. So yeah.
But you gave up, I think, BlackRock? Which you gave up a job like the most Barclays. Yeah, you gave up Barclays, which was one of the highest paying jobs back in the day. And you literally were a finance grad, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
How did a finance grad give up a very established job and switched her career from starting from scratch in marketing? How did that happen?
I think so. While my specialization was obviously finance, but from a person I was always a marketing person. So my dad had a retail shop long back, and I have grown a lot with FMCG. And HUL was something that I have endorsed. So most of the things that I used were somehow HUL. And I was a very big fan of this HUL because of its advertising, this, that. And I found it a world of entire jazz. It was something that I always aspired. So that is how I was very curious. I wanted to know why did they do what they did because I used to read case studies also and I was like भाई ये कैसे सूझा shit ये तो मैं कभी सोच ही नहीं सकती थी ये तो सेंस तो बनता है.
Which was your favorite brand?
मैं सोच ही नहीं पाई. My favorite brand has always been Dove.
Has always been Dove.
Yeah.
So your love stemmed from FMCG, okay, and that's when you went into marketing.
Yes.
But at that moment when everybody was getting into established jobs like CA पढ़ रहे थे, CPT देने के बाद लोग, you know, they were settled in the career, you were starting a career. तब कैसा feel हुआ? Were you like still like नहीं अभी सोचा है तो करना है तो करेंगे?
तो I wouldn't like disagree with this. So I remember there was this one class of ours wherein our professor asked कि how many of you all want to do CA? So out of 120 students, we were only 4 people who said that we do not want to do CA. So most of the people called or thought about us as lukhas कि यार इन्हें तो कुछ करना ही नहीं है, ये तो बस मस्ती करते रहते हैं, तो एक्स्ट्रा करिक्स करते रहते हैं. So that time it felt bad. मुझे ऐसा लगता था यार सब पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, they're like these huge books and such much stacks that they are reading through. But I always wanted to do MBA. I was like, do I want to do a CA? Maybe, maybe not. I would like to have a knowledge, but do I want to pursue this ahead? I was not sure. But I knew I wanted to do an MBA always after my 11th standard. So I was like ठीक है यही करते हैं, let's do it. There were some times when you would think यार इसने already डिग्री कर ली, अब ये काम करने चालू हो गया. He has a very like you know, he's an engineer, he's a CA, he's becoming a doctor, lawyer, and all of those things, and I'm still in the middle of nothing.
Yeah.
So there were times, but I think my wallpaper did help me that you know this is your goal, तो यहाँ focus करते हैं.
हाँ.
Let's not get distracted by the world. Everyone has a very different journey.
Yeah, but 3 you took. I think I remember everybody knew that you were going to go in IMA. I think from the 3rd year of your college you started saying it to everyone, and that was the first time you gave your attempt.
Yes.
Yes, and how was that 3-year wala journey?
Uh,
Like what changed in your prep, like every year, and how did you approach? Like how did those 3 years look for you?
So first year I was very overconfident. I thought कि क्या ही है ये तो
I'm not surprised.
एक इसका ही टेस्ट है तो ये तो
हाँ.
हम कर ही लेंगे.
हाँ.
इसमें तो मैथ और इंग्लिश ही तो है और
हाँ.
लॉजिक है, ये तो हमें आता है. बट आई नेवर अंडरस्टूड व्हाट कैट वाज लाइक.
हाँ.
सो आई नेवर ब्रोक आउट कि कैसे होता है. एंड आई वाज अ मग्गू टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. सो आई नेवर रियलाइज कि वो यू कैन स्किप अ क्वेश्चन. सो दैट वाज वन पॉइंट
You
in my
didn't know you could skip a question. You went and gave the paper.
yeah. So I just did a preparation of one day. And I just went कि हाँ ठीक है, मतलब I did not even see the paper pattern or how is it, क्या कुछ होता है. I was like क्या ही है, ये तो mental exam है, ये तो बाएं हाथ का खेल है. There was no exam that I have not been able to crack. So I was very stupid, I will agree to it. And so there was this one question in DLR and I got stuck in it.
हाँ.
Because I did not know that you could skip a question.
हाँ.
So because of which I cleared overall, I cleared in quants and I cleared in verbal, but because of DLR, I knew I was not going anywhere. So for that particular period of time, there were a lot of backlashes which happened because people were like, अरे तू तो जा रही थी ना IMA,
हाँ.
तो क्या हुआ? तो and this was first ever time that I had failed in something that I was trying in my life. तो थोड़ा सा नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा लगा था उस समय. I started like you know not talking a lot to people, trying to hide away कि यार लोग, क्योंकि जिसको भी मिलो सबसे पहले वही पूछ रहे
question
थे
पूछते हैं कि
कि
what
तुम्हारा
happened
नहीं
to
हुआ,
that
क्यों नहीं
yeah,
हुआ and all.
exactly.
So I was like okay whatever. Somehow I
Yeah. And you were working at that time also.
no, so till then तो result आ चुका था. I was still in college.
College, हाँ.
So and I had expected कि I'm going to an IIM, तो
Yeah.
मैंने कभी placement का कुछ किया ही नहीं. So I was without a placement, I was without a college, and I was like, okay, now I have
You
to
were
do
like-
something.
From scratch you were like again.
कि क्या करना है.
क्या
I was like, अब मैं जॉब कहाँ से ढूंढूं, क्योंकि हम तो
Placement पे तो हमने reject करके आ गए. हम तो bye bye बोल के आ गए.
So then I had to find a job from the scratch. Again,
हाँ.
that is also a little this thing. So in the interview itself, I'm telling him, हाँ sir, I'm going to be only for 1 year. He's like, why? So I think sir, हाँ 1 साल के बाद मैं IIM अहमदाबाद जा रही हूँ. And this was in the month of May. And he's like कि हो गई कि कैट. तो मैंने नहीं सर, कैट नवंबर में है.
But मैं अभी से बोल रही हूँ कि मैं तो जा रही हूँ.
तो मैं जा रही हूँ. It is like करीना कपूर, मैं तो भाग रही हूँ. And so I was like okay, and I was in very much preparation. Also
How
in
was your
mocks.
schedule, bro? Job के साथ कैसे prepare करते हैं?
तो again, so since a very long time I have been studying in the morning, like
हाँ. Morning
ऐसा नहीं है कि but morning 4 to 6 I study. ऐसा I do
4
not recommend
AM.
this. I do not recommend to everyone, but this was my personal because I know I work at 10x efficiency at that time.
You were a morning
तो
person.
morning person हूँ. तो 4 to 6 I study.
हाँ.
Then I read newspaper, do a little bit jogging here and there. Then I used to go for work 9 to 6. After that I had my classes 6:30 to 8:30. Then I would attend that and come back. But one thing I think I learned I think 2-3 good things which I think many of you should use. So my CEO told me कि तुम 1 घंटा क्यों इनके साथ लंच करती हो.
हाँ.
ठीक है, 10 मिनट लगता है ना खाने के लिए, 10 मिनट का तू लंच कर
हाँ.
और फिर तू जाना पढ़ाई कर ना, टेस्ट कर. एंड आई वाज लाइक ब्रो,
Wow.
And I
That's a
know-
very encouraging person to
Yeah.
have as a leader. That's for sure.
because I knew people who have never been like you know able to tell their bosses or teammates that they are studying.
And he
And
was
I was
encouraging.
getting the support. And second was I used to utilize every minute that I had. So while I'm traveling in train or I'm doing something, तो मैं
Yeah.
ऐसे concepts, I used to read concepts even before attending the class. So it was almost like a revision that was happening for me. तो उससे थोड़ा सा हेल्प हो जाता था, आई वुड से.
बट तूने पोर्शन कैसे डिवाइड कर दिया था अपना? कुछ ऐसे डिड यू यूज लाइक सम टैक्टिक्स कि यार इतने टाइम तक इतना पोर्शन हो जाना चाहिए एंड वॉट एवर, बिकॉज नाउ यू हैड 1 year टू प्रिपेयर इन योर सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट, तो हाउ डिड यू अप्रोच दैट?
तो आई तो फॉलोड वट एवर क्लासेस वर डूइंग.
Okay.
एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इफ आई हैव टू गिव कैट राइट नाउ, मेरा पोर्शन अभी तक नहीं हुआ है. ओके अभी तक नहीं हुआ है. सो डू नॉट बी अफ्रेड दैट ओ मेरा पोर्शन नहीं हुआ तो हाउ एम आई सपोज टू टेक मार्क्स, बिकॉज आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ योर करिकुलम इज 10th स्टैंडर्ड.
या
तो बैक ऑफ योर माइंड यू नो दी थिंग्स.
यू नो द कॉन्सेप्ट्स.
Yeah, and don't be afraid. So I used to be afraid in my second attempt. I used to be afraid of logs.
हाँ.
So log word देखते I used to skip, and there were 3 questions of logs in that year, and they were all for sitter.
हाँ.
So I think I missed 9 marks only because I used to be afraid of log. मतलब इंस्टेंट कि मैंने कंसेप्ट पढ़ लिए होते और थोड़ा कम डरा होता तो 9 मार्क्स तो ऐसे ही बढ़ जाते मेरे.
कुछ सीक्रेट ट्रिक थी जो लाइक यू अंडरस्टूड फ्रॉम योर फर्स्ट ईयर टू योर सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट? कुछ तो सीक्रेट ट्रिक दैट यू अनलॉक्ड?
I think one learning which I think it was best was have smaller goals in life. From one stage to another, have smaller. मतलब छोटी छोटी सीढ़ियाँ लेना is better than लंबे लंबे steps लेना.
ओके.
Because if you start aiming from today that I want 99, so even if you're scoring 92, 93, you will be like, I'm far away from 99.
या.
But today if you are sitting at 64 percentile, 64 से तुम्हारा अगला एम होना चाहिए 67, 69.
Smaller.
So you are taking a smaller step, so you are happy.
या.
तो जितना तुम खुश रहोगे उतना
हाँ.
तुम्हारे आगे के लिए उतना हेल्पफुल रहेगा.
एंड व्हाट डिड ईशा डू डिफरेंटली इन हर प्रेप? व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग दैट क्लास, मुझे पता है कि तू अलग है, मुझे पता है कि तू एक हटके ही प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी निकाली होगी तूने, जो क्लासेस ने तो बोली थी वो तो बोली थी, बट व्हाट वाज दैट वन सीक्रेट और 2 सीक्रेट थिंग्स दैट ईशा डिड डिफरेंटली?
I think I learned this from one of the alums only. So he'd one day come and all of those things. So he told me practice test in all possible environments. ठीक है. So one day you're practicing in very warm environment. One day you're practicing right under the AC of the minimum temperature that you can have.
Yeah.
One day you're practicing when you're very ill. One day you're practicing when you have to travel a lot in different times. Different experiences. I don't even remember. एक दिन तो मैंने जानबूझ के इलेक्ट्रिसिटी काटी बिकॉज मम्मी को बोला था कोई भी टाइम पे 3 घंटे के टाइम में किसी भी टाइम तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बंद कर देगी, because that's what things are going to also happen. I have practiced it in huge traffic noise.
Oh, so that you, because हमें कैट सेंटर पे जाके देना
हाँ.
होता है तो वहाँ पे you can't comment कि सेंटर में कैसे हो सकता है, क्या हो सकता है, तो you
Yeah.
just, oh, this is beautiful.
And
यार.
it actually happened. So in my second attempt, there was a Bharat which was passing, and I got distracted.
Oh, shit.
So that is why I practiced it in the third time this very much. I got distracted यार, मतलब बारात की अच्छी आवाज़ें आ रही है, and I love music. I started getting distracted. It's not a joke also. And third attempt, I was sitting in between of huge centralized AC which were pointing
yes,
towards me.
this is
I
very
was,
common,
I was
yeah.
frozen. मेरा हाथ नहीं हिल पा रहा था. तो and on apparently I would also say कि मैं third exam में तो मैं sleepy भी थी. That also saved me. But I was sleepy. I get bored very easily. I can't sit in one place for a very long time.
Yeah, that I know.
So I tried in every attempt. Like I've sat for like 5 hours controlling myself कि भाई बैठ
Bet
यहाँ से
or you have
नहीं
to give
उठना.
this.
I think that was very I think first point. And second was again I learned from somebody that flirt and go. Don't be in a serious relationship with anything. So I think what mistake I did in my first attempt.
Yeah.
नहीं आता भाई निकल लो. गलत ट्रेन में चढ़े हो तो जितना जल्दी निकल सकते हो उतना जल्दी तुम वापस आ सकते हो.
Yeah.
So I think that I learned. I think those were 2 very good things that helped me finally also to achieve.
What was your like, वैसे बोलते हैं ना ऐसे प्यार वाले रिसोर्सेज कि यार ये रिसोर्सेज ने मुझे पढ़ाया है, ये बुक्स को वैसे लेके जाऊंगी अपने साथ?
I think mocks, across mocks, अलग अलग
yeah.
classes के mock. And
हाँ.
and the funny thing you will realize is I had 3 coaching classes का mocks. तो एक तो मेरा usual था तो I used to score very good with it.
हाँ.
Second was very similar to the first, so decent आ जाते थे. Third, I was on underground, so ऊपर के दोनों में 90 percentile के ऊपर आ रहे हैं. फर्स्ट वाले में 97 वगैरह टच हो रहे हैं, सेकेंड वाले में 90s में 92 93, द थर्ड वन आई एम इन 60s. and I've taken the mock in the same week. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि knowledge कुछ gap है या something. And I realized the interfaces were different and I was like कि क्या हो रहा है ये क्या हो रहा है. And by the end when all of them started showing me 98, 99, I was like अब हो चुका
ठीक है. सो मैडम आपने अपना अटेम्प्ट क्रैक कर लिया, बट आई रिमेंबर कि सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट के बाद यू वर MIA. आई डिडंट फाइंड यू एनीवेयर. यू आई मीन देयर वाज समथिंग दैट वाज हैपनिंग, राइट? लाइक apart from your work going on, prep going on, you were still MIA. What were you like? What happened?
I was not keeping well. There were certain migraine medicines I had taken. So that had a little impact on my brain. So one thing that was going on, and second, I got dengue for the fourth time. Sorry, fourth तो हो चुका था, fifth time के symptoms आ रहे थे. तो my health had become really bad. तो I had to stay back home and I was like कि अब नहीं हो पाएगा. And third very important thing, लोग को की पचर that oh you were to saying this and
कैसे डील किया ईशा वो सब?
and very important. So as you were saying that I had certain calls. So अरे you are तो very stupid. You have only so much of chance to get into IIM Ahmedabad. Do you think you would be there?
Yeah.
And I was like देखो total approximately मेरे प्रोफाइल वाले 8 लोग होते हैं जितना मैंने गूगल रिसर्च यहाँ वहाँ से जो किया हुआ है. So I was like मेरी एक सीट पक्की है, बाकी लोग वो 7 सीट के लिए लड़ेंगे. But it sounded very over aspirational because you have no guarantee to get in there.
What did you keep telling yourself? I know it. I think people should know it too. That what did Isha? Because yeah, the person who's never failed is not failed. Like I don't want to call it a failure, but yeah, I've seen life go wrong once. ठीक है, उसमें उठ जाता है. Second time, उसके बाद it's like giving the third. What was in your heart, bro? Like how did you have it?
I don't know. I think I still remember this conversation with one of my professor. So I was also thinking of taking this one college, and he told me, and he was from that college only. He was an alum, and he's like, Isha, mat le, tu bahut young hai. Also, since we've met since like one and a half year, you've never even mentioned anything except IIM Ahmedabad. You've never mentioned Bangalore or Calcutta. तुम्हें MBA नहीं करना था, तुम्हें IIM Ahmedabad जाना था. So I knew I wanted to go there. I have had so many dreams when I was already in IIM Ahmedabad. I have experienced IIM Ahmedabad quite often. It sounds a little crazy, but था मुझे ऐसे. I was a very over enthusiastic girl कि हाँ मुझे ये करना है तो मुझे करना ही है. अब तुम्हें जो करना है करो. I will do this thing. वैसे.
That's, I think that worked really well for you. But you think that this is out of just sheer curiosity कि IMA definitely has a woman quota? Is it a benefit that if you're a woman and you're writing a cat?
No. So apparently, if I have to digress, so there is a certain composite score division that you have to do, which has multiple factors. So it gets cut on your academics, it gets cut on your gender, it also gets cuts on your caste. तो बहुत सारे फैक्टरिंग होते हैं. So being a woman, you get 2 points extra.
Okay.
ठीक है. But on a composite score, if you have to do it in the interview itself,
Yeah.
so there is no impact. Because a person who would have got 999 in his acads is even 100 percentile, and if I have got a little lower and I am a woman and whatever you want to add in, but still we are almost at par when it comes after interview phase, because interview is a do or
Die.
like die.
Yeah.
तुमने इंटरव्यू अच्छा किया तो you might get it at a lesser percentile, whatever it is, with a composite score. And even if you are a very high composite score, but if you do not crack the interview, you're out.
You're out.
So basically ऐसा नहीं है कि there is something, and if there was a quota or something, we would have had much more women than 20%.
But
And
that percentage is decreasing, you know that?
yeah, I think I've read about it. I'm not sure why is
Yeah.
it happening.
But it's dipping, and I was also surprised to see that. But
Because I remember my friend was in 16-18, there was 5%. Then I saw a little it growing. For my
Yeah.
batch, it was 20%, so we
yeah,
were
same.
happy. And now the numbers have gone to 18%, and I'm hoping it grows, because I think the classroom discussion happens really good when you have a good diversity.
Yeah. So now you are at IMA, okay? And I remember I was also, when I had joined back on campus, I literally was scared because इतने सारे लोग अलग अलग fields और इतना मचाऊ थे. And though you have also done something in life, but वहाँ
That's why
जाके-
you were there.
Yeah, that's why I was there. But I felt like a nobody. Like I felt like an outsider. Did you feel that too? Like how was your?
Many times that I felt that I was an outsider to this entire thing. But I think within 3 months or something, I took 3 months, quite good time to get settled into this entire feeling कि हाँ ये है, ऐसा है. I think once we went to the campus, things became a little easier for me as compared to when it was online.
Yeah, but then you went into IMA, and what were the 3 things that you would have done differently in the first year if given a chance now?
Okay, that's a very good question. I think first thing, I would not tell people what I want to do in life.
I so agree.
I think
They stereotype you, right? After that, like I knew that a lot of people used to be like, हाँ ये marketing लड़की है, इसको marketing का कराओ. Did that happen with you?
everything was marketing is equal to Isha, Isha
हाँ.
is equal to marketing,
हाँ.
and HUL.
हाँ.
And so that became a little problematic for me. So yeah, there were little times that I think I would not tell. I would have explored much. I was very. I think I had blinkers in my eyes that I was only wanted to do this thing. I should not have had. Second, participate in a lot of other live consulting activities which are happening in campuses. I did one too. I was part of 2 such activities, but it gave it a very good perspective of how things are. Third, I think I'm not pretty sure. Third, I think I should have been in a part of some sport or dance or something.
Let's talk about IMA, right? For a bit, it was your home. You loved that place. You have reached that place. Everything is just fitting well. At one point, did you feel that that place was was taking more out of you than giving?
Yeah, there were points
Yeah.
where I have felt that. So my first problem was I became a little popular, which I shouldn't have initially.
Why
So
do you
that had
say
a-
so? You were always popular, Isha. Come on, yaar.
That had a little backfire
Huh.
because I garnered a lot of attention.
And why
in
is
the
that
very
a
early-
wrong thing?
It isn't, but I think things would have been a little different if it wouldn't have been so much. I think I would have been much more focused in my things without having a lot of distraction. That okay, you have to remove these people or remove these attention and everything, and just focus on what you want to do in life rather than these people coming and haunting you or biting you a lot.
So I think second year में you went for your internships, and HUL तो हो ही गया था तेरा. क्या सीन क्या था तेरा? You were this poster girl of HUL. I remember at that time Instagram खोलो या कोई LinkedIn खोलो, तुम्हारी फोटो दिख रही है. I'm getting to know that मैडम को तो already soft offer मिल रहा है. What was this क्या?
There were a lot of ups and downs. I think COVID happened, but I'm not sure if it. I think I take it as a positive thing only that HUL did not happen eventually. So yeah, I think it just did not happen. So it was okay.
So internship you did at HUL, and then after that you entered ITC.
ITC.
How did that journey be? Like you were sure that marketing ही करना, were you exploring other spaces?
No, so my entire life I knew when I was joining IIM Ahmedabad, I knew I wanted to go to HUL. That was the plan A. Then I never had a plan B, C, D, whatever. And then once HUL did not happen, now I did not know what to do in life.
Wow.
Because my entire thing which I had planned has now collapsed.
हाँ.
तो अब क्या करते हैं? तो अब तो कुछ पता नहीं क्या करना है. So then I started exploring everything which was possible in Earth.
Earth, yeah.
So I became quite active. So this year I participated in a lot of case studies, a lot of other competitions, live projects, this, that. I was very good with academics. जो हो पा रहा था. I remember I used to sleep less than 4 hours during my term 4 because नहीं हो पाता था. And I had chosen subjects which were adding some values to me कि मुझे चलो कुछ नहीं तो इससे कुछ आगे लग सकता है या कुछ तो चमकेगा वहाँ पे. तो I did this thing. I have cried in front of big alumni कि
हाँ.
भाई मुझे जीवन में क्या करना है मुझे नहीं पता. I've cried in front of Deep Kalra. I've cried in front of Vinita Singh. I legit have tears in my eyes when I click a picture with Vinita Singh. तो मुझे नहीं पता. And then I was just thinking ये लोग क्या सोच रहे होंगे कि ये 24 साल की लड़की को पता क्यों नहीं है कि क्या करना है
यार
life
मुझे
में.
अभी भी नहीं पता है आई थिंक.
तो so I started figuring out, and unlike my first year, this year I started applying in every company which was coming.
हाँ.
कि जो भी है let me just put in efforts, let
Yeah.
me just try it out. Then I started getting shortlists.
हाँ.
And I was like कि now I have to prioritize because finance and consulting दोनों की interviews जो rounds होते हैं they start before the placements, and both of them juggling is not easy.
Yeah.
Finance I had never made any model or something, so I was like fuck, ये क्या करना होता है. So then I had to start preparing on that.
Yeah.
एक हफ्ते में मैंने फिनेंस का जो पॉसिबल मटेरियल था सब चाट लिया बैठ के. आई क्रिएटेड माई ओन मॉडल, आई क्रिएटेड माई हाइपोथेसिस एंड एवरीथिंग. आई टुक अपेरेंटली HUL as my model because that was the easiest for me to make around. And then I sat for the placements. I got COVID in between, so I was aspiring for certain companies which could not happen because I got COVID. I could not give their interviews. And then certain things happened. Then I started prioritizing कि ये करना है वो करना है. Before C0 which is finance के
The first day.
C1 के पहले
हाँ.
C0 था finance का. I had 3 finance offers, 1 in IB and 2 in PVC, and I was like okay, I was confused कि करना क्या life में again.
ऑफर मिलने के
And-
बाद भी लड़की कंफ्यूज्ड है.
तो C1 की exactly रात को I called up my father. I was like, what is one thing that as a businessman you require? What is one skill that you require?
हाँ.
So he's like, sales. I was like, I got my answer. Bye.
Bye.
So then I skipped C1. So I have a record of skipping both the C1s, summers and finals.
And this is rare, guys, if you don't know. People normally don't skip C1s.
So
I
I-
didn't. You know, no, I was also an HUL person. Then I went for C1 and then I went to Bain. Never
So
mind.
I skipped C1. And apparently, I think I would 80% or more than that, I think 80-90% of a batch got placed in before C1. So either in laterals or C1. And हम बहुत कम लोग बचे थे जो एक्चुअली मार्केटिंग पसंद करते थे. हम बैठे हुए हैं. तो इट वॉज अ वेरी बिग फोमो बिकॉज C1 के दिन सेलिब्रेशन हो रही है हर जगह.
और कैंपस ऐसी जगह है ना, तो नीचे पार्टी हो रही है तो सुबह ऊपर
हाँ.
तक तो तुम्हें सुनाई ही देता है फॉर श्योर.
एंड बहुत ही ऐसा दर्द हो रहा था बिकॉज आई थिंक मेरे
Yeah.
डॉम से भी हम 1-2 लोग बचे थे. मोस्ट ऑफ देम वर प्लेस्ड, मोस्ट ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स वर प्लेस्ड, एंड आई वाज लाइक बेड तो डाल दिए C2 पे बट आई एम नॉट श्योर कि क्या होने वाला है. लेट्स गो हेड. C2 विच कंपनी आई वाज सपोज टू गो gave me a last minute bye-bye, and I was like, I wasted 2 hours on you. And then ITC came as a savior to me, and yeah, I took it up. Initially था कि मैंने क्या किया क्यों किया, but as soon as I joined ITC, I think I had my very good time,
Yeah.
especially in Delhi. So yeah, I think when I said कि HUL खराब गया, I did not know what I want to do.
Everything
it eventually turned out to be good.
But Isha, I have been on that campus. Okay, जितना भी in the world there's so much glory and everything around it. I know personally how it feels to sit in that place where everybody else के लिए सब चीज़ें ऐसे click हो रही है and you're still in the way of figuring it out. What kept you going, bro?
I don't know honestly कि क्या था. Whenever I used to feel sad about myself कि यार क्या हो रहा है, I had certain images of myself which I had kept as like on my board and all, which were all my achievement photographs. Those were like my cookies of the jar. Like अगर तुम्हें कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, have that cookie. I've seen these pictures. This was the girl जिसने कभी कुछ बोला है उसके मुंह से, उसका तो हो गया है, तो तुम्हारा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. It might be a little bad time, but just keep on going. And I knew कि worst में worst क्या हो सकता है.
हाँ.
Being in that campus, I know कि worst में worst भी बहुत अच्छा होता है वहाँ पे.
हाँ.
तो ठीक है, मतलब let me go do whatever I want to do in life. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो मैनेज हो ही जाएगा. तो that was there.
Commendable. That's beautiful. So now I have this very interesting segment that I've prepared for you, which is like a rapid fire kind of a thing. And You have to just, give your answers on this. Worst career advice you've got?
Worst career advice I have got. Finance कर लेती, पैसा है.
Um, what is that one thing from IMA that's totally overrated?
There are a lot of like smart people in the campus.
You think there are no smart people in it?
It is overrated. I think they are all humans. मतलब.
हाँ.
So I think that is it.
Okay.
It's not that if you do not get into IMA, you are nothing.
हाँ.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है करके. I think that is one जो हवा बनाई है. That is there.
Okay. If you had to name your अब तक का career journey and life journey in a Bollywood movie, what would it be?
This thing.
Or any Bollywood character. That also works. If you had to give yourself a Bollywood character.
I think Geet. Geet has
Geet.
always been my favorite. So I think I aspire Geet.
Okay. Right. Some questions which are going to be from now to your forward, right? Was IMA the beginning or the end?
It was the beginning.
Okay. What changed in Isha before IMA and after IMA?
I think stress taking.
Stress taking. How?
I used to panic a lot before that. I had a lot of anxiety problem which people did not realize it because they were like, हाँ ये तो आती रहती है, इसकी तो videos होते रहते हैं. But I remember every video that I had to shoot or talk to somebody, I still had anxiety and people never believed. But था मुझे सच्ची में अभी भी हो रहा है. But I'm controlling myself, right? But one thing that changed over a period of time, they're like, हाँ deadline है 11, 15 and 59. हाँ कर लेंगे यार. 11 तो बजे पूरा 1 घंटा यार कर लेंगे. क्या ही है?
कर लेंगे. Okay. What is next for Isha now?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
I'm still figuring out my life.
Yeah.
How is it going? What is it going?
And it's completely okay to be in that phase, isn't it?
Yeah. Always.
Any person who is a non-engineer, who is a commerce grad, who is a girl right now who's going to enter their B schools, what do you want to say to them?
Just enjoy your life.
Just enjoy your life. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you so much, Isha. This was amazing. And guys, this girl represents, talks, walks, is IMA. I have not seen anybody else who is as ambitious as this person and so much in love with her B school. If anything, do reach out to her. She helps everyone over her LinkedIn. And thanks for watching.
Thanks
See
for
you.
watching. Bye.
Bye.